Hi guys, I'm Josh Cowan. I'm an RV specialist here at Reno's hometown dealer, Sprad's RV, and I want to take a few minutes to show you a little bit about this amazing floor plan by Grand Design. This is a 25G Momentum toy hauler travel trailer, and it's got a lot of amazing features I'd love for you guys to come check out. For one, it's got a molded fiberglass front cap with LED lights. Here you see you get a little outside kitchen with a 2-burner grill and a little mini fridge. Has an electric awning that goes almost the whole length of the trailer with LED lights. You got your little deck back there that lays flat with a wraparound playpen patio cage. This thing is lifted nice and high off the ground. You got a 4,000 Onan generator built right in. You got a 40-gallon fuel station for all your toys as well as the generator. This thing holds over 100 gallons of fresh water capacity, so you can be out using it for weeks at a time. I'd love for you guys to come check it out. These things are absolutely incredible. This thing is just under 30 feet, coming in 8,404 pounds dry. With all your loaded max cargo capacity, it maxes out at 11,500 pounds. So pretty much any 3/4 ton should be able to pull this, maybe even some of the newer half tons. But I want to show you some of the great features on the inside where you're going to be maxing and relaxing and enjoying the comfort that this 25G Momentum has to offer you and your family. So let's go inside and check it out. Hi guys, Josh Cowan here again. I'm on the inside of this 25G Momentum travel trailer by Grand Design, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to show you some of these cool features that the inside of this thing has to offer you and your family. For one, you got these movable reclining captain's chairs here that are super comfortable. You even get your double electric Happy Jack bunk bed system that both make into beds. They both raise up all the way to the ceiling to get your toys in and out. This one has little cup holders in the couch that flip up. You get a little table here in the middle, making it your dinette. You got your big ramp back there that lays flat with the wraparound playpen, so you can hang out and look at the sunset or the lake or wherever you guys like to go camping. But this thing's got molded one-piece countertops, Furrion oven and stove top, 6 cubic foot fridge with a freezer. You got an amazing Rockford Fosgate surround sound system here with a 10-inch subwoofer, an adjustable bass control. Has a Jensen CD, DVD, AM, FM, Bluetooth radio, all LED lights. This thing is absolutely incredible. And behind you there, you got a 60 by 80 bed that slides out in your bedroom in a toy hauler. That gives you plenty of walk around space, a lot of counter space, a lot of cabinets. So you guys can pack this thing up and get out there and enjoy some fun. But I'd love for you guys to come on down to Sprad's RV. Ask for Josh Cowan. I'd love to show you this thing in person and see if it'll work for you and your family. Thanks for taking a few minutes to check it out with me.